In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Note Taker in ClickUp, easiest way, 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to feed a meeting link so ClickUp can generate clear, structured notes for you automatically. First, open ClickUp and head to your planner or the tutorial's calendar view. This is the best place to manage upcoming meetings because you can see your schedule and connect notes directly to calendar items. If you have multiple workspaces or calendars, make sure you're in the one where you're meeting lives so the notes end up in the right place. Next, click on Settings. Look for the gear icon or the Settings label near the top of the view. This takes you to the controls for features tied to your calendar, including AI tools. You don't need to tweak anything else here. We're just opening the door to the AI features panel. Now, click on AI Note Taker. This is the feature that listens for context during your meeting, organizes what's discussed, and produces clean notes, summaries, and action items. Think of it as your meeting assistant that never misses a detail and formats everything consistently. Once you're inside, click on Personalization. This area lets you guide how the AI structures your notes. You can tailor the tone to be concise or more descriptive, emphasize decisions and action items, and add keywords or project terms the AI should pay attention to. Taking a moment to personalize helps the AI focus on what matters most to your team, which reduces cleanup later. After that, click on AI Notes. This is where your notes are created and managed for each meeting. You'll see options related to how notes are stored and connected to your calendar entries or related tasks, keeping everything in one place for easy follow-up. Finally, paste your meeting link. Use the full link from your meeting provider, not a shortened version, so the AI can recognize and join at the right time. Make sure the link points to the correct session if it's recurring. If your meetings use waiting rooms or passcodes, verify that the AI note taker is allowed to join so it can generate notes without interruption. Once the link is in, your note taker is set to capture the conversation and produce a structured summary you can share or attach to tasks. That's it. Open your planner or calendar, go to Settings, choose AI Note Taker, adjust personalization, open AI Notes, and paste your meeting link. Follow these steps and you'll have reliable automated notes ready after every meeting.